Hello friends, this time we want to learn how to draw line and divide it into 8 equal parts. The question says draw line AB equals 110 millimeter and divide it into 8 equal parts. How can we do this? On your drawing sheet provided, the first thing you do is your margin line and your title block. After you have drawn your title block and your margin line, then you draw a line, horizontal line. Whenever there is question like this, all you do is you draw your horizontal line. Now just draw any line. Don't forget, you need to locate your starting point. Locate your starting point. On your starting point, the intersection of my horizontal line and the starting point, I write A. My question is to draw line AB to be equal to 110 millimeter. Then I'll place my ruler on my starting point, which is A. You can see how I use my ruler. I started from 0, not from the edge of my ruler, from 0, that point. Then 110 millimeter is also equal to 11 centimeter. Then I will go and look for 11. So far I've started from 0, then I look for 11. This is 11 centimeter, which is also equal to 110 millimeter. Then I locate the stopping point to measure the line. I locate the stopping point to measure the line. Then I indicate it with B. Alright, this is my line AB, which is equal to 110 millimeter. Now, don't forget that whenever you want to divide line, you need to draw any line from the starting point down. So I draw line from the starting point down. The question asks me to divide the line into 8 equal parts. Then I take my compass. As we have said earlier, I will take equal division with the compass. With this compass, I will take equal division of any millimeter of my choice. But for me, I want to use just 5 millimeter. Then I will pick 5 millimeter on my ruler. You can see that any of the long line and the longer line and the long line. These are the shortest line, the long and the longer. So I place my ruler there. Then I will start from the starting point. Then I'll begin to cut with arc the line I just draw. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm to divide into 8 equal parts. So this is 4, this is 5. You can see where I am placing my compass at the intersection of the arc and the line. That is where I am placing my compass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it remains 1, then 8. Now I have divided the line I just draw into 8 equal parts. into 8 equal parts like that. Then what will I do next is that from the last point, the number 8, I can number it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will join to the last point.
3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Remember in our first example that we divide into 6 equal parts. The next thing is that you pick your set square, preferably the 60-degree set square. Pick your set square, the 60-degree set square. Then you place it on your ruler. From the last line, the line that joins the last division with the last point, 8 and B, I will now set my set square. I will set my set square on the line. Set my set square on the line. I've set my set square on the line. I've picked line 8B, or I call it B8. I've picked line B8. Then I place my ruler. I think you can see how I am placing my ruler under the set square. Good. Then I will hold the ruler firm, as we have explained earlier. I will hold the ruler firm. Then so that the set square will be able to move and slide on my ruler in order to join all other divisions. So I have picked B8. Then I'll move my set square on my ruler. Then I join 7. I move it. I join 8, 6. I move it. I join 5. I move it. I join 4. I move it. I move it. I join 3. I move it. I join 8. I move it. I join 2. Then I join 1. You can see how I've joined the divisions. With this, I have been able to divide line AB, which is equals to 110 millimeter, into 8 equal parts. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe in order to get notification for the next version. Thank you.